Which one do you want, man? So, give it a good shake for me though, yeah? Squeeze and shake it, mate. Shake it, shake it. This one, it goes in the pocket. Look, open up your hand, dude. What?
We have landed in London, England. Kids' first time in England, at least being an age they can remember. I have my show tonight, and everyone's excited to be here. So it should be a wonderful 3 days in the country of United Kingdom, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. London, England, one of my favorite cities in the world. And I'm just happy that I get to show my kids the experience for their first time, the way I think it should be, on a bus tour.
I remember they used to wear like red crosses during war.
Yeah, it's actually cool. They stand there, like they don't move, they don't smile, nothing, but they switch, and it's like a whole.
How can they see you?
I think that they don't have what you see in their eyes.
Look, it's Big Ben. Take a picture of it.
Sure that's what that was?
I'm 100% certain.
I don't think that's it. That's another little cathedral. We haven't gotten to Big Ben yet. We are in London, walking down the street, and we came across this wonderful little art gallery. Rios trying to find something he likes to take home. But yes, we are walking to Piccadilly Circus. They gotta see that. And then we're gonna walk by Buckingham Palace and then Harrod's. That's the plan for today in London.
Every Friday, they get boba and fries, French fries.
I'll get regular. And sugar level. What's the regular one? Is there like a normal?
Regular sizes. It's hard to tell you. It's 100% sugar.
Okay. I don't know what sugar size you get.
What do you recommend? Half?
First time to come here, I would recommend a half or less sugar.
Okay, so there you go, half.
Half sugar and regular ice.
Come on.
How is it, Didi?
Good.
Is this the place?
Nope. Rio, no. We are at Trafalgar Square. What do you think of it? It's pretty cool, right? It's a monument. Yes, it is, son. It's a hot day, so he's a little... Ooh, look at the London Eye. You see that behind it, right? All the years I've been in London, I've never been at this waterfall at Trafalgar Square. It's really cool. So I'm gonna enjoy it with my family as they come down slowly. Okay, so I just butchered the name. The right way to pronounce the name is Trafalgar Square. But you know what I really want to say? This is what I love about kids. They don't really care. They're just happy to climb on things. Look at Rio. He just wanted to get to the absolute top of this monument, and Joe's right behind him, and other kids were doing the same thing. I will say this. Since this is the Family Rules channel, we like to educate people. So what can I tell you about Trafalgar Square? Well, the square's name commemorates the Battle of Trafalgar, the British naval victory over France and Spain that took place on 21st of October in 1805 off the coast of Cape Trafalgar. Where is that, you may be wondering? In the southwest of Spain. Time to end this little lesson with some dancing. Take it away, Didi. And you too, Rio. Get it now. Oh, 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 how I love my kids.
Right there, my love, right in front of
Well,
you.
I'm tired of it.
What happened to my little traveler?
We're the
See
ones
the
with
guards?
the red.
They don't move. They just stare and watch you. Make sure you're not doing anything.
Look.
That's what their job is, to stare and watch you.
When do they switch? Do they count and then they switch or something?
What time is it?
It's 3:26. It just turned 3:26.
Maybe at 3:25 he does the stretch. He walks around so he doesn't fall asleep. We are doing another metro, this time in London. I hear music in Dee Dee's ears. What are you listening to, Dee Dee? Is it Uba Duba? Is it Uba Duba?
Beeba Doobie.
Beeba Doobie. Same Uba Duba as Beeba Doobie so far. Brandy, where are we?
One of your favorite spots in London, Nandos.
Can I see the front of the menu? So
It's not, it's the dessert menu.
okay, hold it there so we get the logo. Okay, we are at Nandos in London. This reminds me of being with my brothers, 3T. We loved eating at Nandos. And now, for the first time in years, I'm at a Nandos, going to enjoy it with my family. It's gonna be a good time, it's gonna be yummy. And this tale dates back to the 14th century, and like all legends, the details differ depending on who's doing the telling. Here's our version. A pilgrim was passing through the village of Barcelos in portrayal when he was wrongly accused of theft.
I don't want to try an extra hot something.
Try it, Joe. Go for it. Rios vlogging.
Yeah. We are going to
He's doing it.
and cut it so then it's shorter, and I'll let you know when we get there. Mom,
London,
that's correct.
Rio. We are here at Harrod's.
Harrod's?
Harrod's. It's the whole block.
My
It goes this way.
God.
Okay.
Harrod's.
No, not a.
We don't have a baby, so. I've been wanting
Rubik's set.
I've been.
This isn't like a Rubik's Cube, it's a magic set based around the Rubik's Cube. Loads of different magic. Do you want to see one of the tricks though? See, look, if you look at the little cube in the pot, it's pretty, it's just an ordinary cube, right? It's already solved for you. But what you do, you give it a shake. There you go. Turns into little cubes. It's crazy, isn't it? That's just one of the tricks. Loads of different tricks in there, my friend. Crazy,
Cool, right?
These are magic lights, they're pretty cool. Now what magic lights are, look, they're a way to make lights appear from anywhere. Now guys, hold your hands up, because look, the lights, they can go through your solid objects. They of course go through your hollow ones as well. If you stick them in your heads, guys, they come out your toes. You can bounce them like basketballs or fire them. Bows and arrows. Oh, it's just by the soft toys, my friend, but I've got more of them. Look, take this one. Because you can even turn them into a ball. That's great. Yeah, now look, what you do with the ball, my friend, you just give it a shake, and then you get two balls. Yeah, so pick one, dude. Top or bottom, which one do you want, man? Top, give it a good shake for me, though, yeah? Squeeze and shake it, mate. Shake it, shake it. This one, it goes in the pocket. Look, open up your hand, dude. Look. What? I know, look, we'll do it with the two. You take the two, give those a shake. Yeah, just shake the two of them. Shake them, shake them, shake them. Open up. Whoa! No way! Right, one more time. This time we'll do it with a four. So you take the four, man. Give those a good shake. Shake those ones. Shake them, shake them, shake them. Oh no, not again. I'm sorry, mate. This has been happening all day. Look, in your hand. You can hear them. Yeah, they're in there. No, not there. Look, there. So then you can put them in your head and you'll get squeaky head, in your nose, and squeaky nose, even in your tummy. Crazy. Now guys, we do have all the magic for sale if you want to have a little look. These are the lights, guys, right? Those are the lights on their own. £15 for those ones. Can you guys squeeze your hands like that? Can you do that? So guys, you do that and then you turn it upside down like the Italians. There you go. Squeeze and they come on, they go and it's off. On and off, just like that. Now in the box you get 2 of them. So it's one for each of your hands. You turn them on and off, one on, one on, one on. Just like that. And you're doing the magic. So again, those ones are the lights. And then this one's the magic show. So you get the lights in there, but there's 58 other tricks. So all the tricks I showed you and lots more. Again, the lights, the sponge balls, the sound magic, even the magic bag, which is just a bag you can fill up with lights. Like stick them through your ears even. Spit them out. I know it's disgusting. You can do it. Thank you very much, guys. Do feel free to have a little look, count yourselves. There is a whole magic shop behind us.
Alright, so Rio, you gonna get that? That's what you want?
Yeah.
Alright, you gonna be a magician?
Squeaker doesn't work.
Can we go find more?
Another one.
Harris has been a success. Both kids are happy. Rio got some magic tricks. Jojo got a stuffed animal. It's been great. So I'm seeing some smiles. It's a hot day, but I see 2 smiles. Why are we smiling?
Because we got toys from Harrod. Oh, this one's the best.
Rio J.
So this is the situation. We are on our way to where, Rio? Elizabeth Tower. I was gonna say Big Ben, but he taught us the real name is Elizabeth Tower. And why is it called Elizabeth Tower? What's the difference between Elizabeth Tower and Big Ben?
The Big Ben is the bell, but the Elizabeth Tower is the tower.
Oh, okay. So you learn stuff when you hang around Rio Jackson. It's pretty cool, right? So we drove past the Big Ben and now we're at the London Eye.
It's one big eye.
It's one big eye.
Where's the other eye?
Here we are walking up to the London Eye. We don't think we're gonna go on, but at least he gets to see it and get the measurement of it, see how the massiveness of it. So we gotta go quick. Go, go, go. Where do you wanna go?
I want to go,
All right, just go wherever you want.
this thing's bigger than I thought.
London Eye. Are you ready to be part of London's skyline? Whilst you're enjoying the amazing views, the ride might stop briefly at times, just to help other guests get on.
14
This
miles.
is totally normal.
So we're here, we just got on. We just started our 30-minute circular motion around. Yes, it takes 30 minutes to make one complete revolution. I think that's the proper term. So here we go.
No.
No.
We're not even outside at the first floor of the Eiffel Tower. Maybe we are, but
It looks like we're high. It says I have shaving cream. It may just be some gray hairs. Or is it cream?
it looks like there is.
That happens when you get older, Rio. Rio,
Yeah?
in the Elizabeth Tower, look how much higher you are.
Let me see that.
Where's our hotel?
Our hotel's over there, but there's a part that we should have went.
We should have went to that part. It does look fun. It really is a cool sight. You get to see pretty much all London. It's massive, and what I like is there's these placards too that say east, and the other side says west. An idea of the direction you're looking. He loves that. He loves east, west, north, south. But what were you gonna ask about the shark?
Is it bigger than the London Eye?
I don't know. Why don't you look it up?
I will do that right now.
We have exited the London Eye. What did you think, Rio?
It was amazing.
Nice. Good times.